Let's identify and explore the element that has 9 protons and 11 neutrons in its nucleus. The number of protons in an atom's nucleus determines its atomic number. An element with 9 protons is fluorine, represented by the symbol F. On the periodic table, fluorine has an atomic number of 9. Let's visualize the nucleus of this fluorine isotope. It contains 9 protons shown in red and 11 neutrons shown in blue. Together, these make up the nucleus of the atom. The mass number of an atom is the sum of its protons and neutrons. For this isotope of fluorine, we have 9 protons plus 11 neutrons, giving us a mass number of 20. This specific isotope of fluorine is written as fluorine 20, or in scientific notation as F20. More precisely, we write it with the mass number on top and the atomic number on the bottom, like this. Since fluorine has 9 protons, a neutral atom also has 9 electrons. These electrons are arranged in 2 shells, 2 electrons in the first shell and 7 in the second shell. So, the element with 9 protons and 11 neutrons is the isotope fluorine 20. This isotope has a mass number of 20 and is written as F20 or fluorine 20.